Asia, she's a percentage boar. Asia rocks. These are all our yearlings. This is Pandora. She's for sale. She's 74% boar. And we have Speed Demon. She's also a Bordeaux. Got Banshee right there. She's for sale. Full-blood Nubian. Morgana's right here. They have the same dad, you can tell. Morgana, LaFay. Full-blood Nubian. And this big black one right here is Spasmataz. That's my sweetheart. And this little black doe right here is Jewel. She is for sale. Then over here, Bootylicious. She's a boar cross. Pretty little doe. I love her color. She's changed from gray to red to black. Now she's turning red again. And then over here, the red doe right here is Burgundy. We got her from Texas. She's a purebred, 94% I believe. Then where's Miracle? There's Miracle. Hey Miracle! And Miracle is the youngest in this pen. She is like 99.5% boar. Her dad was a purebred buck. But that's our yearlings right here. They're getting fat. Getting near nummy food.